Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here and today we're going to unbox the Apple's Lightning to Digital AV converter, or in simple layman terms it's simply a converter that will allow you to cast your iPhone screen on a bigger HDMI monitor or TV. Anyways, let's begin the video. So here is the flyer. So I got it from isystems.pk. If you want to buy it, you can go there and you can buy from there as well. So opening the parcel, so here I have my receipt and here is our Lightning to Digital AV adapter. So you can see it's very small, but it's expensive. It's around like $45. It is expensive because Apple, but anyways, so simply what it will do, that one end will connect to the lightning port of your iPhone and the other end will have an HDMI port and another lightning connector, which the lightning connector will use to charge and the HDMI connector will be connected to any HDMI monitor to see in large screen. So anyways, here is the front of the box. So here on the right side we got a little sticker which says it's compatible with all iPad, iPhone, etc. models. So you can see the models on Apple's website. I will put that website's link in the video description as well. So here it says Lightning Digital AV adapter. Again, the one side is a lightning connector. We got an HDMI connector on the other side and a lightning connector to power it, and here is a diagram. So there's nothing else on the box. So again, on the top we got this little peel option, so we can just simply pull and open it. So no knives required, which is cool. Okay, so it's not going to slide out, and now here it is. So here is our actual converter, and I think we got something else in the box as well. Yes, so we got two of these Apple's paperwork, nothing else, no stickers obviously. And here is our actual converter. So here you can see not very length, pretty short length. You got your lightning connector on one side and the HDMI and the power connector on the other side. So very basic but still very expensive. So you would be thinking, where can you use this converter? So in a real world scenario, suppose that you're on your friend's home and he just have a large TV which does not have Netflix on it, just an example, and you have Netflix on your iPhone. So what you can do by this converter, you can simply connect one end to your iPhone which has Netflix and the other end has an HDMI port. So you can simply connect it with your friend's large TV and you can simply watch Netflix, which is streaming from here, but it is shown on your large screen. And the other scenario which you can use is that where I'm going to use that, I'm going to play a game, I'm going to do gameplay on my iPhone, and I'm going to send the whichever gameplay I'm doing to my laptop. So it will have a HDMI receiver and I'm going to record gameplay on my laptop and not my iPhone. So in this way I can play smoothly without having the problem that my phone will get hot, and all the gameplay will be recorded with my computer as it will transmit the digital signals to my laptop. But if you want to record on the laptop, I think you're going to need a HDMI capture card as well. Anyways, when I'm plugged in, as you can see, we got this little icon on the top as well, which is showing that a converter has been connected. So let me just connect it to my TV and show you how it works. So here is my LED TV which is connected to my iPhone using the converter that we just used. So basically I have an HDMI cable running from the converter to the my LED monitor or LED TV, and you can see it is simply casting whatever or mirroring everything that is on the iPhone screen. So if you're going to play some video let me just open YouTube and let me show you its application. So let's open just this particular video from Van Sevenson. So here you can see the video in full screen on the big TV. So this is the benefit of having this connector, and you can just simply close it. You can open your gallery or Netflix or any other app as well. So in this way you can have a big screen to view from your small iPhone screen. Again, it will depend on personal preferences. I'm going to use it for game streaming, so I'm going to play a game on this iPhone, and then from this display, I'm just going to simply save it on my laptop using a capture card. So this converter has many applications. It mainly depends for which purpose you want to use it for. So guys, if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any kind of questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.